Hello pupils, we are on this GSP3 page number 2. So let us look at activity 1. So look and write. Number 1, she has got blonde hair. And number 2, she's ugly. And then number 3, he has got. So if you see carefully, this is curly hair. C-U-R-L-Y, hair. And then number 4, he has got a big nose. And then we have number 5, she's pretty. Double T. Number 6, he has got straight hair. S-T-R-A-I-G-H-T, hair. And then let's proceed to activity 2, read and circle. So number 1, Stacy. So this one is considered singular, and then has got. So you circle it, has got brown eyes. And then number 2, Brian and Doug. Brian and Doug. So this one is considered as plural. So you need to choose this one. Have got curly hair. Number 3, my dog has got a long tail. Number 4, so this one is I have got blonde hair. Number 5, Greg has got straight hair. And number 6, you have got green eyes. And then activity 3, read and match, then color. So number 1, so if you look at it carefully, it is shark. So this one consider animal, so you will see this it. So it has got big teeth and 3 big fins. It has got a tail. It's purple. So make sure you color it using the purple color pencil. And then number 2, so this is considered a boy, so he has got straight brown hair and brown eyes. Number 2 is C, number 1 is B, and then number 3 is A. So she has got straight blonde hair and green eyes. She's pretty. So that's it for today. So this is Get Smart Plus 3. We are on page 2. So if you're okay, you can always subscribe here. And you can see the related videos here. So right below this video, you can click the link and then join my Telegram robot.